This calming color relaxation exercise allows you to relax with visualization by imagining each color of the rainbow. A rainbow consists of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. And this relaxation exercise will describe each color to allow you to relax by meditating on the colors. Visualization can be particularly effective to relax because it allows you to focus your mind on an imagined image. This focus is key to meditation and relaxation in general. To begin, make yourself comfortable. Adjust your clothing as needed and assume a comfortable position. First, before the calming color relaxation begins, notice how your body feels in this moment. Passively pay attention to the state of your body right now. Do not try to change anything. Simply notice how your body and mind feel. Feel your body begin to relax slightly as your shoulders drop a little lower. Your jaw loosens so your teeth are not touching. And your eyelids start to feel heavy. Take a deep breath in. Hold it and slowly breathe out. Now just notice your breathing. Your body knows how much air you need. Notice with interest how your breath goes in and out. Feel the pause after you inhale and before you exhale, and the pause before drawing another breath. Allow your body to relax and your mind to focus on the calming color relaxation. Allow the relaxation to occur naturally. Allow and observe. Create a picture in your mind of the color red. Imagine red of all shades. You might picture red objects, a red landscape, or just a solid color. Imagine all of the different tones of red. Roses, bricks, apples, sunset. Enjoy the color red. Now, allow the color you are imagining to change to orange. Picture the color orange. Infinite shades of orange. Flowers, pumpkins, carrots. Fill the entire visual field of your mind's eye with the color orange. enjoy the color orange. Visualize the color yellow. See in your imagination all the various shades of yellow. Allow yellow to fill your vision. Lemons, flowers, fall leaves. Imagine the endless tones of the color yellow. Imagine yourself surrounded with a calming color yellow. Immerse yourself. Enjoy the color yellow. Let the color you are imagining become green. Fill your imagination with the color green. Endless shades and tones of green. Plants, leaves, grass. Imagine being surrounded by beautiful green. All shades, from the lightest to the darkest, bright green, subdued green. Enjoy green. Now see in your mind the color blue. Surround yourself with beautiful blue. Unending shades of blue. Water, sky. Imagine blue filling your vision. Enjoy the color blue. Allow the color in your imagination to become violet. Focus on the multitude of purples around you. Flowers, eggplant, sunrise. Immerse yourself in the color violet. Enjoy violet. Now allow your attention to return to your breathing. Notice how calm and regular your breathing is now. Meditate on the calming color relaxation once more. Imagine the colors again, one at a time, starting with red. Orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, now picture whatever calming color you wish. Do you have a favorite? Or a color that suits your mood right now? Imagine whatever colors you like. Allow your mind to be relaxed, focused, and calm. Enjoy the extracurricular activities. Become more alert with each breath you take, more aware of your surroundings. Stretch your muscles